Jamaica, a beautiful island in the Caribbean, is known for its stunning beaches, delicious food, and vibrant culture. But did you know it's also the birthplace of a unique and fascinating movement called Rastafarianism? Rastafari started in the 1930s, inspired by the teachings of Marcus Garvey. He spoke about the liberation of African people worldwide. Rastafarians believe in the power of self-reliance, love, and unity, and their culture is full of music, food, and traditions that reflect these values. Rastafarianism is more than just a religion, it's a way of life. It emphasizes a deep connection with nature, a commitment to social justice, and a celebration of African heritage. The Rastafari movement has spread far beyond Jamaica's shores, captivating hearts and minds across the globe. Their message of peace, love, and unity resonates with people from all walks of life. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of Rastafarianism, exploring its origins, beliefs, practices, and global impact. Get ready to experience the rhythm, the soul, and the positive vibrations of this remarkable movement. At the heart of Rastafarianism is the belief in one God, referred to as Jah. Rastafarians see Jah as the creator of all things and the embodiment of love, justice, and righteousness. They believe that Jah lives within each individual, emphasizing the importance of self-respect and respect for others. Central to Rastafarian belief is the recognition of Haile Selassie I, former emperor of Ethiopia, as the living embodiment of Jah. Rastafarians interpret the Bible in a unique way, focusing on its messages of liberation and empowerment for people of African descent. They view the African diaspora as a result of oppression and seek repatriation to Africa, their spiritual homeland. Rastafarians believe in the power of unity and strive to create a harmonious community based on love, respect, and mutual support. They emphasize the importance of living in harmony with nature, seeing it as a manifestation of Jah's creation. The Rastafari faith emphasizes personal experience and intuition as essential aspects of understanding the divine and navigating life's journey. Rastafarian culture is rich in symbolism and practices that reflect their beliefs and values. One of the most recognizable symbols is dreadlocks, which represent their connection to nature, their spiritual growth, and their rejection of Western beauty standards. Reggae music, with its roots in Jamaica, is another integral part of Rastafarian culture. It serves as a powerful tool for spreading their message of love, unity, and social justice. Bob Marley, perhaps the most famous reggae artist, played a significant role in popularizing Rastafarianism worldwide. Rastafarians follow a natural and healthy lifestyle, often adhering to a vegetarian or vegan diet known as ital. They believe in consuming food that is pure and unprocessed, promoting physical and spiritual well-being. Rastafarians often gather in community centers called yards for drumming, chanting, and discussions about their faith and culture. These gatherings provide a sense of belonging and strengthen their bonds as a community. Section 4. Rastafari Stars Across the Globe. Rastafarianism's influence extends far beyond the shores of Jamaica, inspiring artists, musicians, and activists worldwide. Bob Marley's music continues to spread messages of peace, love, and unity, transcending cultural boundaries. Other prominent figures such as Peter Tosh, Bunny Wailer, and Burning Spear have also contributed significantly to popularizing Rastafarianism through their music and activism. The Rastafari movement has also inspired countless individuals to embrace their African heritage, promote social justice, and advocate for a more just and equitable world. Section 5. Spreading the positive vibrations. The Rastafarian lifestyle, with its focus on love, unity, and respect for all beings, offers a powerful message for the world today. Their deep connection to nature, their commitment to social justice, and their celebration of cultural diversity provide valuable lessons for creating a more harmonious and sustainable future. As we have explored the origins, beliefs, practices, and global impact of Rastafarianism, we invite you to embrace the positive vibrations of this remarkable movement. Share this journey with your friends and family, spreading the message of one love, one heart, far and wide. Let's celebrate the beauty of diversity, the power of unity, and the importance of living in harmony with ourselves, each other, and our planet.